how to turn off TikTok For You page suggestion permanently. So let me tell you guys, TikTok does not have a single master switch to permanently remove the For You page or you may like suggestions, but you can disable personalized suggestions and clear your data to effectively stop them. So to disable personalized post suggestion, open the TikTok app on your device, then go to your profile at the bottom right, then tap the menu at the top right, and then go to settings and privacy. Then under activity section, tap notifications, then scroll down to the personalized post suggestion, then toggle off posts from people you may know, reposted by others, or posts you might like. Now go back to your settings and privacy, then scroll down to preferences section, then tap activity center. Now tap search history, then tap select at the top right, then select all by tapping in the circles on the left side of your screen, then tap delete at the bottom right to wipe previous searches that influence suggestion. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.